Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this very long braids. It's really long, like hold on a second, I'll show you. So it's long, like long, super long, and I'll be showing you how I achieved it. It took me approximately a day and I'd say 6 hours. I did it my day off from work, and I had to go to work the following day. I had to put it up in a way that it will cover the parts that I had left. But I'm really impressed by this hairstyle. I love it, love the color, suits my skin tone. I'm really enjoying it. So if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep watching.
I decided to use the Xpression braiding hair in color 30 and 27. I used 4 packs in total. So I pulled the hair and mixed them together so that way the colors blend properly. So that's what you can see me doing there. I'm trying to achieve like the perfect blend in color. I decided to go off camera to do the back because it's very long and it took me a while. And as you can see, I already stretch out my hair. That way I achieve like a perfect blend of my natural hair and the extensions, because I have a natural 4C hair. So that's what you can see me doing here, trying to pattern. I'm using the shine and jam edge control. I've had so many reviews about this edge control. I'd say it's okay. You know, I got mine from Amazon. It's okay. It's for my hair. I think it does the work, but it would have been perfect like if it was a much stronger hold. So because I'm doing knotless braids, I divided my braiding hair in 5 different strands, so that way I can take them as I'm braiding the hair. So that's what you can see me doing here, pre-parting them, guys. Pre-parting the hair so that way when I start braiding, it's easy for me to pick on them. So I go ahead and braid my natural hair first of all before I put in the extensions. That's what you do with knotless braids. So you can see me here trying to get hold of my natural hair first of all. I like the knotless braid because what it does is it helps your natural hairline, honestly. Like it doesn't tug or pull on it. Since I'm doing like a very long braid, this is the best option for my hairline, because that way if I'm styling it, it's not too much stress on my hair. You know what I mean? So I'm feeding the braids in. It takes a minute. Yeah, making sure it's all properly blended in before I continue braiding. I really do love this hair color. It's really nice on my skin tone. I feel like anybody could wear this, like if you're a dark girl like me, or if you're very light skinned, or if you're just in between. It's very nice hair. Yes, I'm putting the hair in my mouth because it's way too long for me to braid without doing that. Sorry guys. I'm doing my happy dance. I love the hair. Again, went off camera to do the rest. The chair I was using to sit to braid this hair was very hard on my bum. So yeah, I take breaks in between, you know, to sit on a better sofa or like on my bed to watch TV and stuff. That way I don't get really bored. Like I said from the beginning, it took me a day and 6 hours to do this hair. So at this point, I was really tired. So what I did was I started braiding the hair. Like I braid until like a point, and I'll leave the rest. So that way I can at least get the roots done, and then that way I could sit down on my sofa and watch TV while I'm braiding the rest of it. Because at this point, guys, I was exhausted, I was tired, I was ready for the hair to be done, and I didn't want to go to work the next day. I'm putting up my hair in the same style that I'd done before, you know, trying to hide the fact that I haven't finished my hair. Lord, was I happy that this was the very last braid that I had to endure. So tired at this point, guys. Like, I was really happy with the way it came out. Yeah, so I went off camera, sat on a sofa watching TV, and I braided the rest of the hair. Here's the finished look. Like I said before, guys, I really love the way it turned out. Excited about it.
Thanks guys for watching. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and follow. Hit the notification button down below so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much.